Why is it going backwards when I'm hitting forwards?
All right, guys, we're on our way to the skate park right now. We're all loaded down, got the Maxx, got some few other cars. I think this is gonna be a good video. I hope we don't break too much stuff, but every time we go out, we seem to. So let's see how it works. All right, guys, we're out at the skate park with the XRT and the Maxx. See what we can break, see what we can't break. Oh, that was nice. That was a good one. Oh!
Oh!
I'm gonna have to zoom in on that one.
Oh! Oh my!
Yeah, you smacked that.
I smacked it. The skid plate's doing some work.
Yeah, it
already.
Yep. So if it hit a backflip. That was easy. For how big she is, she kind of floats.
Dude, this thing flies like. Ooh. It's just a driver error at this point. Skill issue.
Skill issue.
But it flies really nice. All right, first challenge. It's gonna be an easy one. We're gonna try to jump from there. You gotta hit the metal bar and land on this downslope this way. So it's like a turn jump. Yeah.
All right, let's see it. Let's see it. First try, nice.
Nice and easy. You gotta hit the metal.
The metal.
Yeah.
I feel like it lands better than the slash does.
Let's go over there and let's try to grind the corner rail like we've done before.
Got it.
All right, attempt one.
Remember when you smacked my phone?
Yeah. Oh!
Yikes. Right on top of the Maxx.
Sorry. Oh! Almost. Oh.
Chill out.
It's so smooth going over that. It's not easy. That's why I chose this corner.
There you go.
Oh, almost.
That was going.
That was good. Not far enough.
About 85%.
Oh, too much.
Footage. Footage.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, I made it to like this black mark, but not that one.
Man, I'll say that's complete right there. That's good.
Come on, X-Wing.
Yeah. Hey. Oh.
Now, I know you guys want to see me send this thing 1,000 feet in the air, but I would like it to drive after today.
Yes.
So, not this time, but in the future, yes. I will send it right out of the skate park. Have to hit it like, yes.
Knee shot.
Ah. Ah. Oh! All right, that was pretty good. Ooh.
Oh, almost.
Yeah, that was pretty good, dude. Oof.
Yikes.
And this is why I didn't want to send it out of the skate
park. Oh no. I didn't think we'd break the XRT.
Something happened.
Oh no.
Why is it going backwards when I'm hitting forwards?
Oh no. Valiant effort.
Oh man. Oh.
What the heck?
We just lost a motor wire.
Just lost a motor wire. That's wild.
Hopefully that's the only thing. It sounds good. Let's see. Oh, we're good to go. All right. So I'm going to have to probably widen the pin so they don't come out.
That's weird.
That's the first thing that has ever happened to this.
Yeah, I wonder if anybody else has had that problem.
With me, at least. Normally, people break the wing mount first, which this thing is solid. It's landed on the wing multiple times.
Yep.
Hard and not broken it. So I've been getting lucky with that. This truck is completely stock except for the M2C chassis brace / skid. That was weird.
That hurt.
All right, should the next challenge be jump over the cone?
Why not? All right, can we jump over the cone?
I don't know if I would have made that. I was a little bit to the side. Oh. Oh,
ow.
my. You said that a little too hard there, bud.
A little too hard, yes. I tickled the cone.
It was a beautiful jump.
Nice.
Oof. Every time it lands, this thing is so heavy. I can feel it like in the concrete. Ooh, made it. Not so nice landing though. Let me. Oh my
God, that hurts.
Oh,
Took it out. I took the cone out, man.
whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Wow. I thought of the next challenge.
Why does it make that? I got a dead stick after it made that noise.
Just give it a sec, because mine does that and it turns back on.
Completely turned itself off after that. Oh, it's blinking all red?
Oh no.
No way I smoked the 4S
Okay,
already.
so the chart says all red and blinking means programming error, contact Traxxas customer service.
Oh, nice.
No. Oh no.
It's brand new Maxx.
Well, it's still under warranty, so.
Right? It should be. Well, guys, I guess we toasted the Maxx for today. We have to go over to Havoc Speed and see what the problem is. Hopefully we can get that figured out. Because blinking all the red lights says it's a programming error, but it won't even listen to me to program, so I'm not real sure what's going on.